and welcome to the Mario Kart Battle Challenge. Today we are joined with Mark and Tyler. Say hi.
Hi. Bang, 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 bang.
No, I only said say hi. So today we have a bunch of Mario Karts with balloons on the back and guns.
Airsoft guns.
No.
Airsoft.
No.
Plastic pellet shooters.
Deadly plastic pellet shooters.
Like in normal Mario, they use guns.
The person that lasts the longest without getting their balloons destroyed wins. Shoot the balloons, guys.
I don't have my
Yeah,
gun.
don't aim at each other's faces.
Make sure you guys stay to the end because we're going to have a big old battle royale to finish it off. To your corners, you guys.
Safety first.
There,
To your corners.
To your corners.
To your corners.
Wait, how many? Whoa.
I have a disadvantage. I'm handling it though.
All right, you guys. So what we're going to do first is battle rounds, one-on-one. The winner moves on. The loser is out of here and just has to do the walk of shame.
You're dead, Bowser.
You're dead. All right, ready? I just repeated what you said. Okay, here we go.
on my side.
Bowser and Mario first.
Hey, yeah! Bang, 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 bang! Let's have a good game. Bang, bang.
All right.
Dude, what the heck?
No.
What the heck?
Whoa!
What the heck? Okay, come on. Come on, dude. All right.
That should be the way to do this. No guns, all ramming.
Guns, all ramming.
He's got a ram.
One pop. Here's your shell.
No, you got it.
Oh!
Ram him!
Oh, come on.
Joey, you can't do that. Don't do that.
Joey, go
get a
reload.
reload.
Go get a reload.
Go get a reload, Joey. Get the poppy, Joey.
Ram it.
Ram it.
He's over here.
Yes!
Yeah.
It is now time for round 2 with Princess Peach. What the heck was that?
And Luigi. You were always the sexier one. You gotta die.
Are you ready?
No.
You're gone.
What happened?
You're empty.
This is so stupid. I hate this so much. I hate.
Oh no!
Oh, jeez, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh my word.
Oh, jeez. This box is perfectly a part of me now. Now I'll never be defeated.
He was like popping a wheelie the whole time.
You were up in the air.
As he was going, I was like, he's gonna put a hole in that wall for sure.
I didn't know I'd go through it that easily.
I think that's your third balloon ready to go.
Oh! You want a little spin too?
There you go.
Next round, DK versus Mario.
It's me, Mario. Beep, beep.
Mike so badly wants Oh! Look, he's like, don't.
Ah. Ow! Wait, was it?
I was so close, man. So close.
All right, hey, shut up. All right, this is the final battle between my secret lover, Wink, sorry, and a stupid monkey. We're gonna see who's gonna win. Ready? To the death! I want blood on the floor, please. Turn your guns to kill.
Was that the start?
That was the start.
Ow!
Whoa! It popped on its own!
Over that fast?
Victory! Victory wheelie!
Oh, it popped and flew into me!
Up next is the battle royale.
I'm gonna come for you.
Oh, okay.
I'm a little nervous.
You guys
My shins are fully exposed here.
I
My
put
shins
them
are
on
exposed
intelligently.
too.
I'm in a skirt.
It's a me, a Luigi. I'm gonna win.
Hey, back up, son.
It's me, Mario!
You're like
Hey,
baby
I'm
Mario.
Princess Peach. How's it going? Hey, it's Princess Peach. I'll bake you a cake. You want cake? Yeah, let me bake you a cake here. Oh, Mario. Mario. Been years.
I don't want to be the first one shot!
Safety's on.
Not fair, I told you. Am I out of bullets?
Why are your balloons on? Your balloons aren't popping! Wait, Mark's gone!
No, it's not shooting. But someone didn't load this correctly. Who didn't load this?
You're done.
I'm done.
Your friend and Mark are done.
Oh my
Where's
God!
the loader? Where's the loader? Sing it! Sing
How
it!
am I gonna pop it?
Someone didn't load this correctly.
All right, Mark.
And guess who loaded it?
I didn't load it.
You were the last one to mess with
I
it.
didn't load it.
You didn't load it correctly.
I didn't do anything with it.
Oh, my
Joey
God.
touched it.
It wasn't shooting.
Am I losing? Can I have a gun yet?
Princess Peach.
What the heck? Are you that slow? Seriously?
Right here. There's more guns over here.
Your gun's ready.
Why can't I pop
Why
it?
are we teaming up on me?
He sabotaged my gun.
I did not.
You intentionally gave me the bad one. I even said, oh, if it's janky, let me have it. But when you load it, you have to flip a switch to make the BBs go up. He didn't flip it.
Oh.
He's a cheater.
I didn't.
And he
No,
loses.
Joey touched it last.
No, you had it. All he did was hand it to me.
Stop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click on this video to go watch the challenge we did with Mark, the Backwards Action Challenge. Click right over here to subscribe to our channel because we do challenges Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And go subscribe to Mark too. Peace.